Hey, good morning. How's it going? It's Wednesday. It's the first day of February, and it's Hump Day. And welcome back. And can't believe it's February already. That's just nuts. And no shout outs today, except I'd like to shout out to all you listeners out there one more time again and say thank you, thank you, thank you for listening and watching. Be kind of silly to be doing this without you. And Kathy and I really appreciate the fact that you're out there, and we love getting your comments. We love new subscribers. We love everything about it. Had no idea I'd be doing this 3 years down the road, but we are. So thanks again for listening, and we'll just keep on keeping on, because that's what we're doing. So for the song today, I want to turn to, I think, my favorite San Francisco group. There were so many. There was the Dead, the Quicksilver, Moby Grape, Santana. So many groups coming out of the Bay Area for so many years. And this tune is from the Jefferson Airplane. They were my favorite, I think. There was something about the vocal mix, that great Yorma guitar, just that incredible bass lines from Jack Cassidy, Spencer Dryden and his jazz drumming. They were just a unique group that took it places that nobody else took it. And I have to mention Grace Slick, because she's Grace Slick, and man, what a voice. And just love the Airplane. So this song comes from 1968. The album was called Crown of Creation. This song was written by Marty Balin and Paul Kantner. It's called In Time. Long time since I climbed down this mountain before. Things I see here make me wanna go running home. Lean close, put your lips next to my face. Look further on past the surface. Orange, blue, red and green are the colors of what I feel. And my mind, it starts to reel in time. In time. To know your flesh laying by my skin, and I wonder whenever I'm in, warm, soft, nice and now are the word things of what I know. And my body, it's oh so in time. In time. I see you at the same place that I play. Oh darling, tell me, what can I say? Dance, sing, sleep and dream is the music of what I hear among the many things whenever you're near. In time. my friend. Come on now and take my hand. You can be my friend. Soon be in another country, yeah. That's the Jefferson Airplane and In Time. And that's your song for your Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. We're halfway there. And we'll see you back here tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe and keep on the sunny side. Bye-bye.